I'm a professional dancer. When I go to auditions, there is an energy that I can feel from people that give off, she doesn't belong here. There's a thing called typecasting. They go off of looks. I get cut all the time for that, and that can be really hurtful to your self-esteem and your mental health. A dance studio director told me, your body's a problem and I don't like it. Kicked me out of his studio. That was really, really traumatic. I'm Amanda, 20 years old, professional dancer and plus size advocate. I wear makeup not because I want to impress anyone. I wear makeup because it's a form of expression for me. And it's almost therapeutic, playing with my appearance and endless possibilities. Me and Sephora's values line up perfectly. Both of us are just trying to fight for a more inclusive and diverse world. As someone who isn't always represented, representation matters, and it can truly change someone's life. If I would have seen someone like me, that would have completely changed my experience. Sephora realizes the importance of that. It's beautiful. I got into dance when I was only 2 years old. I fell in love with it immediately. I'm obsessed. I knew I wanted to pursue it professionally when I was 9 or 10. I have always been a bigger person. I got bullied so many times. I'm really lucky that I had the mom that I do. Super supportive. Just keep dancing, keep doing what you love, and she was right because moms are always right. I did a music video with a really famous artist. I've done so many music videos, award shows, dance magazines. If I had someone like me on the cover of a magazine, I would have been much more confident in myself. I want people to know that plus-size people are beautiful. We're not lazy. You are a star. Don't let anyone dim your light. Love yourself and love the way you look, and don't change for anybody else.